Hey guys, Sarge here. It's Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken, July 14th. I want you to watch this video here, and this is from Pimpy's investment chat. I want you to watch this. I'll comment as it goes. These are the silver squeeze. What happened so far? The little guys trying to move the big boys. That didn't work. Now watch what happens when you change the dynamics. Put a lot of little guys that push one bigger whale, and that one big whale makes everything go down. There you go. Got it? That was the point of my video that I'll link here, where I showed the domino. That was the point of that video, is that it doesn't take a lot to get things moving. So all we need is one big whale to freak out and go FOMO, and the whole fucking jig is up. So there you go, guys. Be forewarned. I think crap's coming very, very, very soon. Wars and rumors of wars. Cheers. Sarge out.